United Nations has said that tens of thousands of civilians are still missing after being detained arbitrarily during 10 years of civil war in Syria. The International Atomic Energy Agency says North Korea's nuclear program is continuing despite UN sanctions and remains cause for serious concern. In Nigeria, kidnappers have released girl students who were abducted from a boarding school. Former French President Nicolas Sarkozy was sentenced to jail for corruption. In Nigeria, at least 10 people have been killed by unidentified gunmen in the northern state of Kaduna. China has urged for more international assistance to prevent famine in Yemen. Pakistan ready to respond to enemy's adventures, says President of Pakistan.